Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to block someone on Messenger without them knowing. So first of all, make sure that you updated the app via your App Store or Google Play so you can actually get access to all the new features. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just open up my Messenger. And now if I wanted to block someone on Messenger without them knowing, I'm going to just go ahead and click on their name right here. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead and click on their name at the top again, and basically I'm gonna scroll a little bit down until I see an option to block them. I'm gonna just see right here in the not last but second last option, block, and basically you can block either messages and calls or block on Facebook. That means that your Facebook account won't receive messages or calls from that person's account, and this account will be blocked on Facebook. All right, you may still be able to see this person's posts, comments, and reaction on Facebook. Or if you want to block them on Facebook, that means messages and calls will also be blocked. That means that you're gonna block them entirely. So I'm gonna just go ahead and hit block right here. I'm gonna confirm that I want to block them. And basically, after I block them on Facebook, that means that I will not be friends with them again. Let's read on the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to follow us on social media.